Welcome to the final part of our tutorial series. We have our HTML structure and CSS styling ready. Now we will use JavaScript to make our web functional and fetch real-time weather data. First, we connect the JavaScript file to the HTML file. Then we check if it is connected correctly. We start in Script.js by selecting the HTML elements we need to interact with. We get the button using document getElementById. Then we select the ID and the main results container with document getElementById. Next, we attach an event listener to our button. This piece of code waits for the user to click the button and then runs the function we provide. We are using an async function because fetching data from the internet takes time. Inside the function, we grab the value the user typed into the city input field and remove any extra spaces using trim. We add a quick check. If user leaves the input blank and click the button, the if city return line stops the function immediately. We construct a URL to the wttr.in API. We use the city name the user entered and format the request return JSON data using this format. The encode URI component part makes sure city names with special characters work correctly. We wrap our network request in a try-catch block. The try block attempts to fetch the data. If something goes wrong, like bad internet connection or misspelling city name, the catch block catches the error and prevents the app from crashing. Inside the try block, we use the await fetch URL command to send our request to the API. Once the data arrives, we convert the response into a usable JavaScript object using await response JSON. The data we get back is a bit complex. We target the specific piece of the data we need, the current conditions. We access this via data current condition and store it in a constant called current. Now we update the HTML. We use text content to inject the temperature, the weather description and the city name into the corresponding HTML elements we defined earlier. Finally, remember when we hid a weather box with CSS? Now we use JavaScript to show it to the user by setting weatherbox style display equal to block. The results instantly appear. In our catch block, we simply display an alert message to the user that something went wrong and log the full error at the console for debugging. Let's try to write something here. And it's work. And that's our full functional weather app. You can now look up the weather for any city in the world. Thank you for watching this series. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.